Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the ETH chart, we are also trying to break out to the upside. Obviously, we've had a break out of this triangle pattern. We had a break above the green line, which was this key level here that I mentioned in yesterday's video, and over the last few days, 2,695, which more clearly indicates that indeed we're following the direct path to the upside, which should take us. I mean, it depends on how I label this, okay? But first of all, I'd like the price to get to around about $3,000. It really does depend how I'm labeling the initial 1-2 setup here. If the wave 1 was here or here, okay? If it was here, then, and this fits much better with the micro count, the third wave should get to 3,095. Maybe I'll leave it like that. Because that gives us it just fits much better the micro count, okay, in terms of confluence and so on. 3,095, that would be the next milestone target. 3,000 should also be some resistance. And if we take a look at the microstructure, it could be that there's a series of 1-2 setups that formed, something I'm observing on several altcoin charts as well, but ETH still looks kind of weak. And we could be working on maybe the late stages of this white third wave, or maybe already this fourth wave, and could then get another wave 5 of circle 3 and another 4-5 pattern to complete this larger third wave at around 3,095 or higher. It is just something to be aware of. It is a pattern that I think could be filled out, but you see this structure, it's so choppy. It is ugly. For example, if you compare it to the Solana chart, which also looks a little bit corrective from the base, but it looks much more impulsive now. I mean, there's not really any impulsiveness really in that move that we see here to the upside. It is quite weak. 0.15% upside today is what TradingView shows me. Solana is much more, other coins much more, even AVAX, even ADA, they show much more upside today, but we'll see what ETH does. We know that Ethereum is kind of underperforming compared to Bitcoin at the moment. That is no surprise. We're looking regularly at the ETH BTC chart. I've added a support zone here for this wave 4, for this internal wave 4 pullback. Support is between 2,665 and 2,745 for that. Okay, so this is wave 4 support. And then we could still get one more high in wave 5 of circle 3 and so on, yeah? Any break below 2,665 would rather indicate that we're heading down in wave C of a larger wave 2. Okay, this is still, let's say, plan B. Then we have support at 2,200 for a larger wave 2 in case this rally is just a B wave. It is from a corrective base. It looks extremely messy. Therefore, I'm watching for that. I'm definitely aware of this potential. But as long as we're holding above micro support, there's no objective signal that this decline has started. Now I'd like to take a final look at the ETH BTC chart. Quick reminder that today, I'm going to upload a video just on Twitter. It's the Phantom video here. Most likely, I mean, there's still 30 minutes left of voting, but I assume Phantom is gonna make it. So there's one video that won't be uploaded on YouTube. Feel free to check it out. Also follow us here on Twitter for additional updates like about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. So let's go to the ETH BTC chart. ETH BTC, always worth to be aware of what's happening there, but the situation is unchanged. As I said to you before, there is absolutely no evidence at all that we've bottomed here, and it would require the formation of all 5 waves in white for a first reversal signal. Why is this chart so important? Because it tells us when Ethereum is starting to outperform Bitcoin. A lot of people asking, is it time to move from BTC to ETH? Personally, the data, well, I don't think so. I mean, the data shows still downward movement or sideways movement. So there's no objective reason right now, based on the data we have right now, based on the ETH BTC chart, to move from ETH to BTC. It would require first a 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave pullback to show a first reversal pattern. And then even then an upside breakout. At the moment, this is just nearly looking like a bear flag, kind of, after a long downtrend. So Still moving down. Okay, you can see that downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. All upside reversal attempts failed. So if the next one forms, we can look at it again. But for now, yeah, I mean, this could even just be an ABC structure that's forming here. Nothing convincing right now. Nothing convincing. If it breaks to the upside, we might even be dealing with a B wave triangle here or something. But essentially, it takes 5 waves to 0.05166 for a first indication that ETH BTC is trying to turn around. So that's what we're dealing with. So ETH is still weak, okay, so it shouldn't be any surprise to anybody that ETH is kind of disappointing at the moment, because the ETH BTC chart still shows no motivation that ETH would outperform Bitcoin. That can happen at any point, but it's not there at this stage. Even though a reversal would be due, but there's no need. I mean, the price doesn't need to rush, right? I mean, okay, it's not a price, it's ETH compared to BTC, but yeah, they don't need, there's no guarantee ETH will outperform Bitcoin. We can only follow the trend. Trend is currently down. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.